Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The evolutionary history from elephant birds to humans traces back over 300 million years, beginning with a common ancestor among early amniotes, which later split into mammals, leading to humans, and reptiles, leading to birds. Over millions of years, birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs, while humans emerged from primates, eventually crossing paths when early humans contributed to the extinction of elephant birds. In this video, we will explore the fascinating evolution and characteristics of flightless birds, starting with the ostrich and moving through rheas, emus, cassowaries, and kiwis, highlighting their adaptations, ecological roles, and evolutionary history. Struthionoforms, ostriches. The ostrich, Struthio camelus, belonging to the order Struthionoforms, is the largest and fastest-running bird on Earth. Native to the open landscapes of sub-Saharan Africa, ostriches are well adapted to grasslands, savannas, and semi-arid regions. They have long, muscular legs built for speed, allowing them to reach up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour, making them the fastest birds on land. Their bodies are covered in large, soft feathers, with males having striking black and white plumage, while females and juveniles display a more muted brownish-gray coloration for camouflage. Ostriches have a small, featherless head, a long, flexible neck, and large eyes, 5 centimeters in diameter, providing excellent vision to detect predators from a distance. Unlike most birds, they have only 2 toes on each foot, which helps in running efficiently. They are omnivorous, consuming a diet of seeds, leaves, flowers, fruits, insects, and small vertebrates, playing an important ecological role in seed dispersal and vegetation control. Social by nature, they often move in small groups, sometimes associating with grazing animals like zebras and antelopes. During the breeding season, which usually occurs in the rainy months, dominant males perform elaborate courtship displays by spreading their wings, bowing, and dancing to attract females. The largest eggs of any living bird, about 15 centimeters long, weighing up to 1.4 kilograms, are laid in shallow nests dug into the ground, with the dominant female's eggs placed centrally for better survival chances. The male incubates the eggs at night, while the dominant female takes over during the day. Ostrich chicks hatch after 35 to 45 days and are able to run soon after birth. These birds have a lifespan of 30 to 40 years in the wild, but in captivity they can live up to 50 to 60 years. Although not currently endangered, their populations have declined in some regions due to habitat destruction, hunting, and egg collection. They are farmed for their meat, feathers, and leather, making them economically significant. Their evolutionary history traces back millions of years, making them one of the most ancient and fascinating bird species still in existence today. Evolutionary history. The genus Struthio dates back to the Miocene epoch, about 23 million years ago. Fossil evidence suggests that ostrich-like birds were once widespread, including species found in Asia and Europe. Their ancestors likely evolved from small flighted birds that became ground-dwelling due to a lack of predators and environmental changes. Rheas. Rheas are large, flightless birds native to South America, belonging to the order Rhiformes in the family Rhitidae. They are closely related to ostriches and emus, but differ in size, habitat, and behavior. There are 2 species of rheas, the greater rhea, Rhea americana, which is the largest bird in South America, and the lesser rhea, Rhea pinnata, which is smaller and adapted to higher altitudes. Rheas have long legs, long necks, and large rounded bodies covered in soft, gray, or brownish feathers. Unlike ostriches, which have 2 toes, rheas have 3 forward-facing toes on each foot, helping them run at high speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour, when escaping predators. They inhabit open grasslands, savannas, wetlands, and shrublands across Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, Bolivia, and Peru, preferring vast open spaces where they can roam freely. Rheas are omnivorous, feeding primarily on grasses, seeds, fruits, and leaves, but they also consume insects, small vertebrates, and even carrion when necessary. They are social birds, often forming groups outside the breeding season, but males become territorial during reproduction. The breeding season typically lasts from August to January, during which males build nests on the ground and mate with multiple females. After mating, the females lay eggs in the male's nest, which he then incubates for about 35 to 40 days. A single nest can contain between 10 to 60 eggs from different females, and the male takes full responsibility for raising the chicks after they hatch. The young are precocial, meaning they can walk and feed themselves soon after birth, but they remain under the protection of the father for several months. In the wild, Rheas have an average lifespan of 10 to 15 years, but in captivity, they can live up to 20 years. Ecologically, Rheas play a crucial role in seed dispersal, helping to maintain the biodiversity of their habitats. However, they face threats from habitat destruction, hunting, and egg collection, leading to population declines, especially for the greater rhea, which is classified as near threatened by the IUCN. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their natural habitats and preventing illegal hunting. Evolutionary history. Rheas belong to the ancient group Paleognathai, which diverged from other modern birds around 100 million years ago during the breakup of Gondwana. Fossil evidence suggests that their ancestors were once more widespread, but as South America became isolated, they evolved into large flightless birds adapted to open grasslands and scrublands. Cassowaries, Ephorian emus and cassowaries. Cassowaries is an order of large flightless birds that includes two genera, Rheas, emus, and cassowaries. These birds are native to Australia and New Guinea, and they are known for their powerful legs, unique adaptations, and vital ecological roles. Emus, Rheas novaehollandii, are the second largest birds in the world after ostriches, reaching heights of up to 1.9 meters, 6.2 feet, and weighing between 30 to 45 kilograms, 66 to 180 pounds, 99 pounds. They have long legs, a long neck, and a compact, rounded body covered in shaggy, brownish-gray feathers. Their wings are small and vestigial, making them flightless, but their strong legs allow them to run at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, 31 miles per hour. Emus are highly adaptable and found throughout Australia, thriving in open woodlands, grasslands, savannas, and semi-arid regions. They are nomadic birds that travel long distances in search of food and water, feeding on a diverse diet of seeds, fruits, insects, and small vertebrates. During the breeding season, which occurs from May to September, males build ground nests and take full responsibility for incubating eggs, which are large, dark green, and weigh around 500 grams. The incubation period lasts approximately 56 days, during which the male does not eat or drink much. Emus play a crucial role in seed dispersal, helping in the regeneration of plant species, and they also control insect populations, maintaining ecological balance. Their lifespan ranges from 10 to 20 years in the wild, but they can live up to 35 years in captivity. Cassowaries, Cassowaries sp., are among the most striking and prehistoric-looking birds, with black, coarse feathers and brilliantly colored heads and necks featuring shades of blue, red, and orange. They possess a distinctive bony casque, or helmet, on their heads, which helps them push through dense vegetation. Cassowaries have incredibly powerful legs, and their three-toed feet include a long, dagger-like claw on the inner toe, which can grow up to 12 centimeters, 5 inches long, and is used for defense. These birds are slightly smaller than emus, but can still reach heights of up to 2 meters, 6.6 feet, and weigh between 30 to 60 kilograms, 66 to 122 pounds, 132 pounds. They inhabit the tropical rainforests of New Guinea, northern Australia, and surrounding islands, preferring dense forests, swamps, and mangrove areas. Unlike emus, cassowaries are solitary and territorial, often avoiding human interaction but becoming aggressive if threatened. Their diet consists mainly of fallen fruits, but they also consume fungi, insects, small vertebrates, and carrion. Breeding season occurs between June and October, during which males build nests on the forest floor and incubate 3 to 6 bright green eggs for about 50 days. Once the chicks hatch, the male raises them for up to 9 months, teaching them survival skills. Cassowaries play a critical ecological role as key seed dispersers in rainforests, as they consume and spread large fruit seeds over wide areas, promoting biodiversity. Their presence significantly influences the structure of their ecosystem. In the wild, cassowaries have a lifespan of 30 to 40 years, but in captivity, they can live up to 50 years. Despite their ecological importance, cassowaries face threats from habitat destruction, vehicle collisions, and attacks from domestic dogs, making conservation efforts crucial for their survival evolutionary history. The evolutionary history of Cassowariiformes traces back to the ancient supercontinent Gondwana, where their ancestors diverged from other paleognath birds around 60 to 80 million years ago. Fossil evidence suggests that cassowaries and emus evolved from a common ancestor, with cassowaries adapting to dense rainforests and emus thriving in open habitats, leading to their distinct ecological niches. Apterygiformes, kiwis, apterygiformes, small flightless birds endemic to New Zealand, are unique in their mammal-like characteristics, including a highly developed sense of smell, nocturnal behavior, and hair-like feathers. They range from 25 to 45 centimeters in height and weigh between 1.2 to 3.3 kilograms, with females typically larger than males. Their soft, brownish-gray plumage provides camouflage, while their tiny, almost invisible wings render them completely flightless. Unlike most birds, kiwis have nostrils at the tip of their long, slender beak, enabling them to detect prey underground. Their small eyes result in poor vision, making them rely heavily on their sense of smell and hearing. Kiwis inhabit forests, shrublands, and alpine grasslands, where they dig burrows for shelter and territorial defense. Highly territorial and monogamous, they form long-term pairs, with the breeding season occurring between June and March. Females lay an enormous egg, about 20% of their body weight, which is incubated primarily by the male for 65 to 85 days. Chicks hatch fully feathered and self-sufficient, but remain in the burrow for a few days before venturing out. Despite an average lifespan of 20 to 50 years, kiwis face severe threats from introduced predators like stoats, dogs, cats, and rats, leading to population declines. Ecologically, kiwis play a vital role in seed dispersal and soil aeration, benefiting forest regeneration. Due to conservation efforts, some kiwi populations are stabilizing, but ongoing habitat protection and predator control are crucial for their survival. Evolutionary history. Kiwis are part of the ancient Paleognathae lineage, which includes ostriches, emus, and other flightless birds that evolved from flying ancestors after the breakup of Gondwana around 80 million years ago. Genetic studies suggest kiwis are more closely related to the extinct elephant birds of Madagascar than to Australia's emus and cassowaries, indicating a complex evolutionary history shaped by island biogeography. From the towering ostrich of Africa to the elusive kiwi of New Zealand, flightless birds have evolved into remarkable creatures, each uniquely adapted to its environment. Their evolutionary history spans millions of years, tracing back to the time of dinosaurs, shaping them into the specialized species we see today. However, many of these birds face significant challenges due to habitat destruction, climate change, and human activities. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring their survival and maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. By understanding their past and protecting their future, we not only preserve these incredible species, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth. If you enjoyed this journey through evolution, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world. See you in the next video.